Hey everybody, Linus here. Got an old PC gathering dust? Maybe it's running slower than molasses in January. In this video we're diving into lightweight Linux distributions, the perfect solution for breathing new life into that aging machine. Let's dive into some of the top options available today. First up, we've got Linux Lite, a fantastic option for those new to the Linux world. This distro is designed with Windows switchers in mind, making the transition smooth and less daunting. It's got a familiar layout, comes preloaded with essential apps, and is easy to use right out of the box. If you're intimidated by the command line, Linux Lite is an awesome starting point, offering a user-friendly graphical interface. Plus, it runs like a dream even on older hardware, ensuring you get the best performance without needing the latest specs. Next up is Puppy Linux. This distro is all about speed. We're talking booting entirely from RAM. Once loaded, everything runs directly from memory. The result? Blazing fast performance even on ancient relics from the early 2000s. It's incredibly lightweight on resources, perfect for limited RAM or processing power. Looking for a balance between performance and user-friendliness? Lubuntu might be right up your alley. Built on Ubuntu with the lightweight LXQT desktop, it offers power and flexibility without resource hogging. Let's talk about Bodhi Linux. It's all about customization and minimalism with the Moksha desktop environment. Despite its minimalist approach, Bodhi Linux is packed with everything you need. It runs smoothly even on older hardware and is a joy to use. Tiny Core Linux, for the Linux Diehards. This distro is incredibly lightweight and modular. The core system takes up just 16 megabytes, booting up in a flash. It's designed for users who want absolute control over their system. However, you'll need some Linux know-how to get the most out of it. antiX, freeing up your resources. This distro is designed to run on older hardware without sacrificing functionality. It doesn't use systemed, freeing up valuable resources. By ditching systemed, antiX becomes lightning fast on older hardware. It's a great option for really old systems. MX Linux, XFCE. The best of both worlds. This distro balances being lightweight with having all the features you need. It's designed to be efficient and fast, making it perfect for older hardware or systems with limited resources. Based on Debian, it uses the XFCE desktop environment, known for being both lightweight and customizable. You can tweak it to fit your personal workflow and preferences. MX Linux comes with useful tools and utilities for easy system management. From system settings to software management, everything is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. It's great for both beginners and experienced Linux users. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, MX Linux offers a reliable and versatile platform. So which one should you choose? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide. These are some of the best lightweight Linux OS options available. Each has its own unique features and benefits. Whether you're reviving an old PC or need a minimal system, there's something here for everyone. From user-friendly Linux Lite to bare-bones Tiny Core Linux, which is perfect for those who want a super lightweight and fast system, there's a distro for your needs. You can find something that fits your specific requirements and preferences. Try them out for yourself. Most offer live boot options, allowing you to test them without installing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which Linux OS you prefer. Your feedback helps us create better content.